But 50 vanish in the dark. We think the road is stretching far, forgetting exactly where we are. The ancient Romans spoke the truth. We waste the gold to chase our youth, thinking we have time to keep, while slowly sinking into sleep. We sprint to close an empty space, trapped in the traffic of the race. The engine whines, the senses burn, silently swallows the fading light. In the forest of our deep desires, we lay beside the dying fires. Half a life slipping away, 12 hours of ignorance day by day. Half the life lost in the deep, the heavy 50-year sleep. Fight the darkened sky with a waking pride or a stubborn eye. The goddess comes to claim her due. An ego cannot pull you through. Just fold your hands, let service guide, like Lakshmana at the Lord's own side. Dial down the body's loud demands to place your time in Krishna's hand. Don't fight the dark, just light the flame. Remember who you are and chant the name. The traffic clears, the fever breaks, the resting heavy spirit awakes. Oh, the python of the night silently swallows the fading light. In the forest of our deep desires, we lay beside the dying fires. Half a life slipping away, 12 hours of ignorance day by day. Half a life lost in the deep, the heavy 50-year sleep. The sun is rising, the lotus opens, the shadows clear, the mind is still. The 50 years are